1970 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Price: $34,750. Location: Alabama. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala convertible is a true representation of classic American automotive design, finished in its original factory classic white paint, perfectly paired with a timeless black interior. This full-size cruiser captures the spirit of an era where cars were built not just for transportation, but for style, comfort, and presence on the open road. The exterior design immediately draws attention with its long, flowing body lines and clean, elegant proportions. Chrome bumpers shine brilliantly under the light, while dual headlights and thin white-wall tires enhance its vintage appeal. The addition of 13-inch wire wheels gives it a touch of sophistication, and the black soft-top convertible roof allows you to enjoy the freedom of open-air driving whenever the weather calls for it. The power behind this classic comes from a robust V8 engine, paired seamlessly with an automatic transmission. This combination ensures a smooth and effortless driving experience, perfect for cruising down highways or enjoying a relaxed weekend drive. Equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, and dual exhaust, the car delivers both performance and that unmistakable deep American V8 sound. The interior maintains its original charm with a simple yet functional layout. A spacious bench seat provides comfort for passengers, while the 2-spoke steering wheel and retro-style radio bring a nostalgic feel to the driving experience. Manual windows and classic dashboard controls remind you of a time when driving was more connected and less complicated, making every journey feel authentic. The 1970 model year holds special significance, as it represents the final chapter before major design and regulatory changes transformed the automotive industry in the early 1970s. This makes the Impala convertible not only a beautiful car but also a valuable piece of history that reflects the golden age of American automobiles. The overall condition of this Impala shows that it has been well preserved, maintaining both its mechanical reliability and original character. Whether you are a collector or simply someone who appreciates classic cars, this vehicle offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of timeless design. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala convertible is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's about cruising with style, enjoying the journey, and turning heads wherever you go. If you're looking for a classic that combines elegance, comfort, and heritage, this Impala might just be the perfect choice.